Come with us on a visit to Leamington Spa. Today we're going to Leamington Spa for kayaking. We'll park the car and then we'll walk down to the kayaking spot. I didn't leave his car up. No, that's alright. Oh, the picture, the dragon is not. It's of an elephant. It was a nice and cloudy day, so we're walking to get our boat, and we will be starting from the left hand side of this bridge because there's like a blockage here which we need to pass through to start our kayaking for the day. So we got to the center, it's Warwick Boat Center, and we're at River Leam, so it's Leam Boat Center. There was all the kayaks lined up for rentals, and then we actually secured our booking before coming. There was dive vests, and then there's so many things to rent and to buy. So this is where we'll be starting from. We eventually carried our boat all the way here, and we'll be starting from this point. That was the opposite side of the bridge I was talking about, so we couldn't come through there. So we started our journey on River Leam. So we rented a kayak that has 2 seats. So when I'm paddling, Morris is recording, and when I'm recording, he's paddling. He said I should relax and don't pedal and leave him to direct the boat. But I can see the boat going to. See, he's going to a corner.
I'm the one in control. I am the driver. Oh, not me. See? Back in control.
Yay, baby. That's good. Kayaking. So halfway through the journey, we realized we can actually go straight down on this river to Warwick Castle and wanted to do that. But we discovered there is also another blockage, which means we'll come down from the kayak, carry the kayak and cross the blockage and go back into the water. And we're like, nah, we'd rather just come all the way back instead of doing that. I think this is where we would have exited from.
Yeah.
And then carry it.
No, I need to that power.
For most of the journey, it was mostly us on the water, but we did encounter a few other people doing either kayak or some other water sports, and it was really nice to see some other people as well, and not just us.
Okay. Driver, where they carry us, they go. Hey.
On this stretch, we did encounter some other people with the canoes and a boat. It was really cool to see that. But most of the time, it was really nice and quiet, like you hear in the next clip. Very peaceful too.
They carry me, they go where I don't know. Driver! 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 Say driver. I'll be your driver. I drive you.
Oh, slow, babe. We spent about 2 hours kayaking on River Leam. I think we booked for 2 or 3 hours, so we just went through the river and all the way back, and then before going into the city, Leamington Spa to just explore a bit before going home. At this point, the sun was out and it was a nice day to just explore. So we just went around the city center, into the park, just have a look and see the city because this is the first time visiting as well. Just learn about the history of Leamington Spa and then just walk through the park and have a nice time too. After going through the city center for a bit, we decided to head home and call it a day. But overall, it was a good trip to Leamington Spa. We definitely plan to visit again soon.